Hey folks, Robert here from John Bear Auto Group. Just want to take a moment to show you how to use the memory seating function in your new vehicle. The placement of the memory seating buttons varies from vehicle to vehicle, but they all function the same way. On this GMC Yukon, they're located on the armrest. You'll be able to notice them because there's 4 buttons, 1, 2, set, and an image of a vehicle. First thing you're going to want to do is get the seat in a position that's comfortable for you. Sometimes this includes the steering wheel as well. Once you're in a comfortable spot, you're going to want to hit set or the number 1 or 2. Just remember that these numbers also correspond with each key fob. So you're going to hit set, and then we'll use 1. And you'll hear 3 beeps. Just remember that your key fobs are also numbered 1 and 2, and they are correlated with each memory seating 1 or 2. As you approach the vehicle and get in, it will know that it is you driving because you have your fob 1 or 2 meant for your setting specifically. If you have any questions about this or any other feature in your vehicle, please don't be afraid to reach out. We'll see you on the next one.